Good morning class, myself Sunil Kumar, your maths teacher. Today I am explaining class 8 maths chapter 3 part 3. Some problems on the basis of a square and a square root. Your first question, find the smallest number by which 180 must be multiplied to get a perfect square. 180 में what we multiply with the 180 we got the perfect square. And also find their square root. So your first question 180. At first factorize this 180. 2 times 90. 90 is 2 times 45. 45 is 3 times 15 and 3 times 5. So it has 2 pair, 3 pair. 180 has prime factors of 2, 3 and 5, but 5 has no pair. So that 180 must be multiplied by 5 to get a perfect square. So that 180 into 5 we got 900. So their factorization 2 square, 3 square into 5 square. So that square root of 900 equal to root under 2 into 3 into 5 the whole square. It's a 30. In the second question, find the smallest number by which 9408 must be divided to get a perfect square. At first 9408 must be factorized here. 9408, it's a 2 times 4, 7 times 0, 4, again 2 times 23, 1, 5, 2, again 2 times 7 times 6, again 2 times, again 2 times, again 2 times, now 7 times, 21, 3 times 7. So the result is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means 3 or 3, 6. 3, 3, 6 into 7 into 7 into 3. So it has 2 pairs into 2 pairs into 2 pairs into 7 pairs, but 3 has no pairs. So in 9408 same way has prime factors of 2, 7 and 3, but 3 has no pair. So 9408 must be divided by 3 to get a perfect square. So that 9408 divided by 2, that means 3, not 2. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 1 10, 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, and 31 3 6 have 2 square, 2 square, 2 square into 7 square. So that 3136 square root under 2 square into 7 square equal to root under 2 into 7 का whole square, that means cancel. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 7 ja 56, and that's your answer. Okay, so here we complete question number first and question number second. Now question number 3, find the smallest perfect square number which is divisible by 10, 16 and 24. At first, LCM of 10, 16 and 24. That means 10, 16, 24. We find the LCM. 2 times 5, 2 times 8, 2 times 12. 2 times it's a 4, it's a 6. 2 times 2 or 3. So LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. So 2 has 2 pairs, 2 has 2 pairs. Chuki, LCM of 10, 16, 24 has no pair of 5 and 3. That means LCM of 10, 16, 24 must be multiplied by 5 and 3, so that it's a 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2, that means 3 to the power 2. That means no. So that 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 25 3s are 60. No, it should be written as like that. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 5s are 80, 85 is 400, 85 is 400, 400 3s are 1200 and 1200 3s are 3600. So that 3600 is the smallest number which is divisible by 10, 16 and 24, and that's your answer. Now your question number 4. So welcome to our question number 4. Your question number 4 is find the least number which must be subtracted from 18,265 to get a perfect square. 18,265. At first you find the 265. You find the LCM of that number. 1 1, it's a 2, 1 cancel, 82. Your result is here 1 and 2. 2 3s are 6 2 plus here is multiplication 69, 12, 9 3s are 1, now 6 5. So we take here 5, 7 0, 5 5 is 25, 2, 5 6 is 30 or 2, 32, 3, 5 2 is 10 or 3, 13. We got here 40. So it's a 1 3 5. Chuki 135 square is less than 1800 265 is less than 136 the square. At first we find the square. We know that 135 square, subtract this to get a perfect square. What should be subtracted? So that 40 must be in this case 40 is remainder, so that 18265 minus 40 equal to 18225 is a perfect square, so that 40 is a smallest number subtracted from 18265 to get perfect square. So that the square root of 18225 equal to 135. Same questions number 4. On the basis of like that, what should be added? 4931. 4931. Here 7 7 ja 49, 31, 7. It should be written 1 times minimum, so that 142 it should be written 141 here. So the added number must be 141 minus 31. We got 110. So 110 is the smallest number added to 4931 to get a perfect square. इसलिए 4931 plus 110 equal to 4150 41 and square root of 5041 equal to 71. That's your answer. In this way you will complete question number 4 and question number 5. Find the 4-digit largest number to get a perfect square. Your 5th number question, 5-digit number, 4-digit number, 4-digit number, largest 4-digit number, largest 4-digit number is 1119. So here we can find the square root by the division method. 9 times 18, here is 81, 8, 1, here is 9, here 99, so it's a 9 times 18, 81, 8, 9 8 is 72, subtract it, we got 8, 9, 1. So 4-digit largest number which is a perfect square equal to 9999 minus 198. We got the result is 1089, and that's your answer. So square root of 9801 equal to 99. So your 6 number question is finished. Now so it should be written as find the square root. So at first changing to the improper fraction. So 3025 into 3 plus 3 4 by 3025. It's a 9075 plus 4 by 3025. So it should be written as 90493025. So that the square root of 9409 by 3025. At first we find the factors. We got 0, 1 times 3, 1 10, 3 3s are 9. No, it should be not. It should be written as 97 into 97, and it should be written as 5 into 5 into 11 into 11. So it's a square of 97 and it's a square of 55. So 97 by 55, the whole square, cancel 97 by 55, and that's your answer. Your next question is 84.8241. It's a decimal form. So how can we convert it into the square root? Four point 82141. 2 pair, 2 pair, 2 pair. 8, 8, 16. 8 8 ja 64. We got 20. That's a 8. Here is the decimal, so we put here decimal. Okay. Now 82. So sorry, it's a 9 times, it's 84. So your result is 9, 9, 9, 18, 81. We got 3, 82, 2 times. Here we plus 4, 8, 1, 2 to the 4, 8 to the 16, 1, 2, 3, 12, 8, 8 or 7 minus 6, that means 1, that means 4, 1. Here is 1. So 2, 4, 8, 1, 1, 8, 4, 2. It should be written as 9.21. So that the square root of 84.8241 is equal to 9.21. Okay. Now how can we find the value of 2 as a square root up to 2 decimal places. Up to, here the question is up to correct 2 decimal places. So we take here 3 pair of 0. We take this self, no problem, no doubt. So that 1 times we got 2, 1, 1, 0, 0. That means 1 point. 4 times 8, 2, 96, 4, 0, 0. 1 times 2, 8, 2, 2, 8, 1. We got 9, 9, 1, 3, 1. 1, 0, 2, 0, and that's a 3, 0. So 5, no 4, 4, 8, 2, 2, sorry, yes, 4 4s are 8, 2, 8, 2, 4 4s are 16, 1, 4 2s are 8 or 1, 9, 9, 8 4s are 32, 3 and 11. So it should be written here 4, 0, 6, and here is the 1.414. So root 2 equal to 1.41 up to 2 correct places. Okay, thank you. So in this way, all problems, all types of problems of the square and square root will be solved. You have any problem, you must be contact on my number. My number is 99340856637. Click the photo of the questions if you have any problem and send me on my WhatsApp. I will solve it and resend on your WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.